Welcome back to Jay's Car Channel. Today I'm going to be doing platinum ceramic glass coating on the windshield of this 2011 Crown Vic Police Interceptor. I'll also be replacing the wiper blades with some Rain-X Weather Armor wiper blades, so this ought to improve the visibility in rain driving drastically. Just the ceramic coating alone, a lot of times you won't even have to use your wipers, but in the case of a really extreme downpour, sometimes you will need to, so that's why I like to have nice new wipers on my vehicles. So that's going to be the other step here. So I'll start with the wipers there. Should be pretty easy to do here. Take your current blade, go in here, there's a little clip, push in the clip, pull the blade off, get that done. New blade. Oh, so on these blades you pop this cap off till you hear a click. It's tight. Cap back down. One more to go. And both sides take a 22-inch blade, by the way, so same size on both. A lot of cars have a smaller passenger side, but this car has the same on both. Push that little clip in. Out. Got the cap here. In, push the cap down, good to go. So there's your new blades. So the first step to applying the ceramic coating is going to be clean the windshield. I got Adam's Rinseless wash and a microfiber. Soak the window down. Soak it down good and let this Rinseless wash do its job to break up all the dirt and emulsify everything and soften it up. I'm going to get the other side. Take your microfiber towel on your windshield. The other side. Second step I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Adams Visco clay bar, take the Visco impression tool, push it into the bar. It gives you a nice little pattern there. Just picking up a lot of junk here. So I'm going to go to the other side. So because it was so dirty, I think I'm going to go one more round with the clay. So get that geo impression tool, push it down into the clay again. Get it in there, get you a good pattern going. Still picking up stuff. Not quite as dark as before, but still picking things up. So other side. Definitely picked up some more. So 2 rounds with the clay. Now the third step is going to be going with an IPA, alcohol-based. This is a paint cleanser, but it works well on glass as well. Pretty much any exterior surface that you're going to apply coating to, you want to use something like this to just get the surface prepped and ready and bare, so it'll accept the coating a lot better. So here we go with this. You just spray a few sprays. You don't have to go too crazy with it. 3 or 4 sprays per side. And move one into the towel. Go through, clean it. So that's looking really good. Time to apply the coating. Again, this is platinum glass, not carbon collective. This comes with a little applicator. This one's got some buildup on it, but it won't matter. It'll work just fine. So take your bottle, shake it up, cap over. Put your about 10 drops in there. Just go down. Do a vertical section. Cross hatch it. Make sure you get even coverage. Just a little bit more on there. I'm gonna get the bottom section here. Horizontal, cross hatch. I'm gonna try to get past the middle. Underneath these wipers. So I'm gonna take the camera in and you can see this haze. It's flashing, so it's ready to be removed. Anywhere between a minute to 2 minutes, and then it's ready to remove. And I'll take this Autofiber towel. It's really good for removing coatings. And you just lightly go to wiping this off. It should come off really easy, so no pressure, hardly, just lightly wipe it. Sometimes you want to flip the towel to clean side. So that's half the windshield, one coating. I'm going to go do the other side. I'm not going to show that on this video. That's redundant, but I'm going to go back behind it and put one more layer. So you want to always do 2 layers, and you don't really have to wait too long to apply the second layer. I pretty much do the first half of the windshield, go do the second half. By the time I'm done with the second half, I come back to the first and just do that half again, and then go to the passenger side, do that half. So hope you guys like this video. I got many more coming on this vehicle, so stay tuned and hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time.